Hey there, fellow investors, and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that in 2023, the Netherlands is seeing a surge in interest from beginners who want to invest in index funds? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to invest in index funds as a beginner right here in the Netherlands. Plus, we'll show you how to use Degiro, one of the most popular platforms for investors in this region. So, if you're ready to grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. 1. Why invest in index funds? Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why you should consider investing in index funds. Index funds are a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio, and here's the kicker, they often outperform actively managed funds in the long run. Plus, they're beginner-friendly and cost-effective. 2. Understanding index funds. Alright, let's break it down. What exactly are index funds? Well, they're a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aims to replicate the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means you're investing in a broad range of stocks without having to pick individual ones. 3. Options for beginners in the Netherlands. Now, let's talk about the options available to beginners in the Netherlands. There are several ways you can start investing in index funds here. We'll cover two primary options: investing through a bank and using a brokerage platform like Degiro. 4. Investing through a bank. Investing through a bank is a straightforward option. You'll have access to their own selection of index funds. Just walk into your local branch, talk to an advisor, and they'll guide you through the process. But, remember, the fees can be higher, so keep an eye on those. 5. Using Degiro, step-by-step guide. Now, let's dive deep into using Degiro, one of the most popular options for investors in the Netherlands. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get started. 1. Step 1. Sign up for a Degiro account. 2. Step 2. Verify your identity. 3. Step 3. Deposit funds into your account. 4. Step 4. Search for index funds. 5. Step 5. Place your order. 6. Tips for successful index fund investing. To make your investment journey even smoother, here are some essential tips. 1. Diversify your investments across different index funds. 2. Set a clear investment goal and timeline. 3. Keep an eye on fees and choose low-cost index funds. 4. Stay informed about market trends but avoid knee-jerk reactions to short-term fluctuations. 7. Tax considerations in the Netherlands. Taxation is an important aspect of investing. In the Netherlands, there are specific tax regulations that apply to your investment gains. We'll briefly touch on this to help you navigate the tax landscape. 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Investing can be tricky, especially for beginners. Let's discuss some common mistakes that you should avoid to ensure your investments stay on the right track. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to invest in index funds as a beginner in the Netherlands in 2023, along with insights on using Degiro and crucial tips to get you started on the right foot. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stay disciplined. If you found this video helpful and want more investing tips and advice, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy investing, and see you next time.